Hi, today in this video, I will be explaining on how to fill the customer data template correctly. All the details when filling the template must be compatible with the Odoo system. Therefore, it is a must to follow certain rules when filling out this template. All these columns are not mandatory fields, and I will explain the mandatory fields to be filled. This is the customer data template format. Name is the name of the customer, and you need to enter the full and correct name of the customer. This is a mandatory field. Street, street to, city and country are the address fields of the customer. This address is divided into 4 fields. The address is not a compulsory field to add. Next, you can add the phone number and the mobile number of the customer. Here, you can add multiple contact numbers in a line. This is also not a compulsory field to fill. Email and tax ID columns too are not compulsory fields. However, if the customer maintains such information, you may add them to these columns. Next 2 columns are compulsory columns that you need to fill in. In Odoo, a person, an association or an organization is considered as a partner. A partner can act as a customer and also a vendor. For these reasons, Odoo has given the opportunity to create all the information considering a partner as a customer and also a vendor. This is the reason why account receivable and payable are needed to be filled in this template. A receivable type account according to the company's chart of accounts need to be filled in this column. An account payable needs to be filled here considering the customer acting as a vendor. If this customer has a particular salesperson, you can name that person's name here. Payment term is the time period your customer receives to settle the invoice. You can fill the relevant payment term applicable in this column. It can be immediate payment, 15 days, 21, or so on. The currency used to sell the product must be filled here. By company, it means the full name of your company. This has to be filled the exact way the company information is given. If your company is a multi-company, the relevant and correct company name must be filled in here to which the customer belongs. This column is a mandatory field. By company type, it means if it is an individual or a company. A website link can be included in here, but this is optional. So this is how you fill out the customer template correctly. Hope you have a good understanding on this now. Thanks for watching.